In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock contacts on the Skype application. So, first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you already have it on your desktop PC. Once you did that, that will be great. But of course, if you don't have it on the PC, first of all, you would like to go and open the browser that you're gonna download the Skype with it. Of course, whatever browser could be possibly working for you will be great. Once you open your browser, go to the URL section and type download Skype and hit the enter button. Go to the first link and start downloading the application. Of course, this will be pretty simple because you must have been already downloaded something in your PC before. So you will follow the same instructions. So once you do that, once it's downloaded, you will need to install it and open it up. Once it's open, they will ask you to log in into your account, and if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create one. Of course, you can go and create your account. It's pretty simple. So once you created your account or logged in into your account, once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen on the Skype application. And as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to unblock a contact on the Skype application. So of course, if you want to do that, here in the homepage, you would like to click at the top left corner at the profile picture. Once it's there, go here at the settings option, and that will open this window for you. From here, you would like to select the contacts, which is right here, and you can go to the contact or the blocked contact. For me, as you can see, I have this list empty, but for you, you will have here the contact that you already blocked, and you will find an unblock button right here. Just go and click at this button, or just click at the unblock button next to the contacts you wish to unblock, and it will be unblocked, or he or she will be unblocked. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.